Good morning, children. Let us continue the political life lesson for key elements of a democratic government. Today I am going to explain about equality and justice. One of the key ideas of democratic government is, is its commitment to equality and justice. Equality and justice are inseparable. So, children, one of the key ideas of democratic government. So, the main equality and justice, treating all the people equally and giving justice to all the people. In previous, we have seen the story of the Maya and also the Ma and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's life also how they treated. In Maya's story, did the government support the idea that people are equal? And one more in Dr. Ambedkar's story, did the practice of untouchability and support the idea that people are equal? So after when the India or South Africa become a independent or democratic country, it was provided by the constitution and treating all the people equally. The earlier practice of untouchability is now banned by the law. Present before Maya story we have seen Ambedkar also was suffered more, but present because of the constitution rules and regulations it was now banned. Untouchability is now banned by the law. This group of people were denied education, transport, or medical facilities, and even the chance to offer prayers also. So, children, untouchability, and in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's untouchability, we have seen in Maya's story, there is no permission to enter into the bus, or you only the whites are great and blacks were living in the worst places. No permission to enter into bus or using the ambulance or schools, etc. Even in Ambedkar's story, also we have seen in discrimination and prejudice lesson what was happened to the Ambedkar and how the people were treated also. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, whom you have read about earlier in this book, and others like him, realized that such a practice must not continue and justice can only be achieved when people are treated equally. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he fought for and he write the just all the constitution rules and regulations book of a law based on that Ambedkar's hard work, and he is the father of the constitution. He suffered a lot, and to overcome out of equality and justice Ambedkar have done the more work. Now he is the father of the constitution. The government also recognizes this and makes special provisions for groups within society that are equal. So the present government also it is recognizing and helping the groups. Some of the groups the government based on the constitution rules and regulations it is equal. It is helping to all the groups also, and groups within society that are equal. For instance, in our society there is a general tendency to value and care for the boy child more than the girl child. So children, before the independence, before the development of the education, the family or parents also they used to give important only for the boy, not for the boy education they have given importance, and girls education they did not give the but gender indifferences. But after when the India become a independent, so many freedom fighters they fought for the independent, and also some of the social leaders they fight for the value of the education giving to the child also. This means that society does not value the girl and boy child equally, and this is unjust. So children, based on giving boy child more than girl child, and this is doing injustice for girls only. In this contest the government steps in the promote justice by providing special provisions that can enable girls to overcome the injustice that they are sub- subjected to. So, the government is helping special women's hostels and providing some of the job opportunities and education development. Present government is helping to develop along with the boys also. Girls can be developed by providing of the different categories for the girls education, job, and all the equality and justice is given for the present days. Girls also getting all the rights also, provisions that can enable girls to overcome the injustice, that if the government is helping, the girls also can live freely in the society. Thus it is possible that fees for girls might be waived or lowered in government schools or colleges. If government is helping for girls, they can study in the government schools, they will go to the government colleges. Even if they are giving some of the percentage for the girls in a job opportunities, and girl also can be developed in the different ways and in job and all the ways also. Even present in the parliament 30 percentage of the 30 percentage is given to the girls. And here the question it is there, how do you think lowering the school fees would help girls attending to school? So children, can you think of any experience from your life in which you have helped someone out of a situation which you thought was unfair? Did everyone else see it that same way? What did you have to say to convince others that what you did was fair? So, children, once again read the textbook, read the all information, understand the key elements of a democratic lesson, and answer the following questions also. So, thank you. Let us continue in the tomorrow next lesson.